Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to find and highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. So first of all, open your Google Sheets and select cells and click on Format, Conditional Formatting. Click on Format Rules, scroll down and select Custom Formula as value or formula. You have to enter this function here and you get this function in video description, and then click on Done. And here you can see I've successfully highlighted my duplicates here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.